Hi there cubers, it's Belgian Speedcuber here, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make this pattern. I'm really excited to teach you this one, and I hope you guys are too. Whoa. What you need to do is B, D, F prime, B prime, D, L2, U, L, U prime, B, D prime, R, B, R, D prime, R, L prime, F, U2, and D. This gives you this pattern. If you want to purchase any of these cubes, I'll put a link in the description. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing. I also have a discount code on Cubes UK, Belgian SC5. It gives you a 5% off your order and it helps me out a lot. It helps me make these videos, so thank you guys for the support. And if you want to post this pattern on Instagram, please let me know and I'll give you a shout out for sure. This was it for this video. Belgian Speedcuber out.